So if you only want to hear my recommendations for tourist attraction, you can skip to 9 minutes and 21 seconds in this video. Also, if you want to see me and SoFlo TV do a CPR instruction video, comment in the comment section and tell us, because we are both in the medical field and we can do that for you guys.
Hi guys, so today's video is going to be about Dunn's River and all the other attractions in Jamaica and places that I recommend to people that want to visit Jamaica and or just live in Jamaica and don't know about some of these places. These are my personal favorite places that I've been to, that I would recommend to everybody that goes to Jamaica and they want to have a good time. Well, first we're going to talk about Dunn's River, and Dunn's River is one of my favorite places, like one of my favorite attractions in Jamaica. And Jamaica's primary income comes from tourism, and Dunn's River is a big tourist attraction. So, the news article states that the mayor of St. Anne's Bay, Michael Belnavis, ceremonial cuts a ribbon along with Dr. Damian Graham, the general manager of Urban Development Corporation, UDC, and Ernick Williams, UDC Director of Administration, on April 4th during the handover of an ambulance to enhance the medical services offered at the Dunn's River Falls and Park. Sharing in the moment that are Jomos Peterson, the manager of DRFP, Joseph Isis, chairman of St. Anne Development Company, and Rainsford Bryan, the chairman of the UDC. And you can see that they're cutting the ribbon for the ambulance, and I'll insert clips for you guys. And honestly, it's about time, because in Jamaica our people are very lackadaisical. Our people don't know a lot of stuff as far as the medical era or the medical side is concerned. Mental illness, CPR, heart attacks. Like, a lot of people don't know signs and symptoms, don't know what to do in certain situations. I can't talk. They don't know what to do in certain situations when they arise. And it's about time that they get a ambulance. And I feel like all the attractions that I'm gonna recommend to you, if they don't have an ambulance, they need to have an ambulance, because I've been seeing this increase of people not only drowning but dying at very well-known tourist attractions. Either people don't know how to do CPR, or people are not trained properly in CPR, and somebody lose their life. I actually saw a video on Facebook of a 24-year-old Jamaican girl that went to one I don't know if it's Dunn's River, correct me if I'm wrong in the description box, not in the description, in the comment section down below, correct me if I'm wrong. I think it was Dunn's River Falls, and she actually drowned and died, and the next day would have been her 24th birthday. She was 23 years old, almost 24, and that was because nobody on the premises did not know how to do CPR. And I've said this in a previous video of the little boy that died doing soccer a few months back, that everybody in Jamaica need to learn how to do CPR. It's very simple. It's very easy to do also, and it can be a situation where you help someone from dying. That CPR training or that CPR knowledge that you have can save someone's life. And I know that my people try to be ignorant sometimes, and oh, me not go need to do CPR because me and a doctor, me and a nurse, and me and a this and me and a that. But if you go into a situation and have no knowledge whatsoever, and you're forced into a situation where you either have to react untrained, or you just let somebody die. I would rather somebody react untrained than let someone die in my presence. If me I did one Jamaican and I didn't know how to do CPR, if it means a life and death situation, some would have probably choose to help try doing CPR even if me don't know how to do it. But Donjura finally get an ambulance, and I feel like it's about time that they got an ambulance, because not only people don't know how to swim sometimes when they go to these falls and these tourist attraction, they come with a lot of unknowing medical issues. So they'll come on vacation not knowing that they're sick, or they come on vacation not knowing that they have a heart condition, they catch a stroke, or all this other stuff that can happen unknowingly, and there's no ambulance there. So if there's no ambulance there, there's no means or ways of transporting these people from Duns River to the hospital. Because if you have to wait on an ambulance to come pick you up from a specific location in a Jamaica like Duns River, it's gonna be very hard for them. And depending on how far or how close the ambulance is located determines life and death situation. People can die from a teaspoon of water. A child can die from a teaspoon of water, and I know a lot of people can kill a child. So imagine how much water it takes to kill an adult person. It doesn't take that much. So for them to now have an ambulance, I have to applaud them. I have to say congratulations, because they're taking a step in the right direction. And not only do I want Duns River to have an ambulance on site and keep it on site and functional, but I also want all the other attractions in Jamaica to have an ambulance on site, or trained medical personnel on site to help if there is ever an occurrence of someone that either drowns, have a heart attack, have a stroke, whatever medical circumstance can happen. I hope that all these tourist attractions have people there that can help, that knows what they're doing, or have an ambulance that can actually transport the people from that particular attraction to a hospital and transport them quickly and safely, and also have the ambulance up and running. Because a lot of these tourist attractions and different places in Jamaica have ambulance, but they don't work. Or if they have an ambulance and they do work, then they don't have anybody to drive them, and they don't know the necessary precautions to take when taking somebody that is injured or to a hospital. So I hope everybody learns from this. I hope everybody take a step in the right direction, like how Duns River is, and actually get an ambulance or get trained professionals there that can help them if there ever is a situation that arises that they need an ambulance or medical help. So I'm gonna list off 10 of my favorite places that I would recommend to anyone that goes to Jamaica. Places that I've been, places that I love to go, and places that my family have been, and places that all my family has gone. And the first one is Duns River, of course. Cool Runnings Water Park in Negril, Dolphin Cove, White Witch of Rose Hall, National Heroes Park, Negril Lighthouse, that's mine in my neck of the woods in Negril, Rick's Cafe, my neck of the woods, Rose Hall, Montego Bay, Blue Hole Mineral Springs. Me love Blue Hole. Blue Hole is amazing. Okay, and Devon House. Devon House, I can get ice cream, cake, all sorts of stuff at Devon House. And if especially if you have kids and you go to Jamaica and it's like a family affair, I would recommend that everybody goes to Devon House. Like I feel like Devon House is like a family place for just chill and enjoy with your family or with your kids, depending on who you have taken with you. So those are my recommendations for people that's visiting in Jamaica and places that they can go this summer or this spring or whenever you decide to go to Jamaica. I would recommend everybody go to Jamaica and experience Jamaica because it's my country and I love it dearly. Nobody can ever stop me from go back on my yard because Jamaica me say. A yard me say. So comment in the comment section and tell me what are your favorite places to go when you go to Jamaica. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm up out of here, man.